Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, well, a guy from YouTube, name was Steve, I'm just going to call him Steve B. I don't know if he wants me to tell what his last name is. Anyways, he asked me if I'd tried anything with instant noodles. I'm going to make these instant noodles. This is Red Chef Green Tom Yum. He said he liked doing this with Malaysian and Thai instant noodles. The curry paste. These noodles came out of a, what do you call it? An Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com. Use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for 15% discount. It's not a bad deal. And you can also go to shop.theramenraider.com for more not so bad deals. So, yeah. Anyways, so what is this add-on item this guy's mentioned? I mean, why am I trusting somebody who's on the internet just telling me, hey, you should try this? Have you tried it? Try it. Asked for some guidance, and he recommended these. They're sardines. They're King Oscar sardines. There's King Oscar right there in all his glory. It says here, King Oscar loved everything about Norway, especially our seafood. Product of Poland. So, there's that. But it comes in this little thing. They were on sale. Usually these are like $6, I think. And they were like on sale for like $3.50. So I figured, hey, if I'm going to try it, I'm going to get the fancy stuff. He said, don't get anything below $5 because then you're kind of like asking for it. But it's a little tin. And they're Royal Selection Brizzling Wild-caught Oakwood Smoked Hand-packed Sardines. That's what they look like. Little fishes. There's no heads. I expected a head on these things. I've never just like chowed down a sardine, so I watched a YouTube video and watched a guy just like eat the whole thing. So I guess that's just the deal. And quickly do our episode Happiness Time of Momofuku Endo Speaks. Let's see. Happiness time, happiness time. Whoa, 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 don't want to tear a page. Can't get too over exuberant. Number 45. Making an invention or discovery does not require massive facilities or funds. Words to live by. Do what you need to with what you got. Don't sit there and get yourself a whole bunch of overhead when you don't need to. I'm looking at these sardines. I'm like, should I just like grab one and eat one? I mean, they gotta be good, right? I got little fish. I'm gonna eat little fish. Ladies and gentlemen, Mimi. Say hi. What are you doing? Wow. No more of that, okay? That could like go right in your eye. You can put your eye out! Let's see. 9 seconds till this portion is done. Yep, go play. Papa's gonna eat little baby fish. Papa's gonna eat some babies. Yummy babies!
I like to eat baby fish.
You do? You think so, do you? Well, I suppose you could try. I mean, they're not bad for you, as far as I know. They taste yummy, huh? Yeah, I have a feeling you're gonna get within like half a foot of these things and run away and be all angry and tell me not to eat them. I know you like noodles. You might try the Tom Yum. But as soon as it turns out to be spicy, she'll get this look on her face like I just killed Bambi. I don't know, it's not always worth it. So we're kind of like right in the middle. In an hour, there's more of the online school. So I figured this is like the earliest instant noodle recipe time episode I've ever done. It's 10:30 in the morning. Wow. Wow. Whoa. What? Yeah. I might have just enough time to get maybe this episode, maybe another one cranked out. I don't know. Not really. These are ones that I've reviewed before. This one, I'll be doing another one too. Maybe. We'll see how quickly this is completed. So first, let's have a taste of the noodle. As I mentioned, this is Red Chef Green Tom Yum. This is, I can't remember which spot. I want to say the 5th or 6th spot on my top 10 of all time list for 2020. It's good stuff. It's not your normal thing. Green Tom Yum, I mean, come on. That's different. And it's good. Not just a gimmick, but a flavorful item. Cheers. Nice acidity to it. Ooh, nice little bite. Spashy bite. I need a bowl. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Don't do that. Don't do it. Oh, I need a bowl. But I need a bowl. Which bowl am I gonna pick? Always a troubling thing. Like, what bowl am I gonna pick? I'm thinking for this one, there's a clear choice. Oosh. What are you doing? Don't do that. Yeah. I don't know if that'll fit all that. We'll try this one. Okay?
Okay.
Are you tearing up all that paper? That's how you end up in prison. Paper tearing, making messes. What do you think this is, Cobra Kai? Yeah, nut. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. This isn't Cobra Kai, Mimi. Gotta be at least somewhat merciful. Okay. Yeah, we started watching that show, Cobra Kai, it's after the Karate Kid series. Alright. Well, Steve B recommended these fancier sardines.
Yummy.
He also mentioned kippered herring, but I couldn't find any of that. Oh God. Not a good way to start. I popped open the top and it squirted olive oil on the stove. I'm guessing it smells good. Yeah, you're like itching to try a baby fish, aren't you? I don't think you're gonna like baby fish, Mimi.
I do.
You do. Here, let's get rid of this lid. You're like all up on the idea. Okay, well, let me try one first, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Wow, they smell like fish. It's a fish. Well, cool, I like that. They kind of remind me of like a slightly chewier tuna. Okay, guys. Let's line up all nice right about here. Nice row of them. Ah, that was good. Looks like they removed the face. I was wondering about that. I was asking him like, so dude, do you like eat the face? It's probably like, dude, what a not man of the world to not know about eating the fish. I'm learning. Yeah, these are good. I'll try another one. Oh, come on. Yeah, they're good. They've got, it just reminds me of like a different kind of, like a richer texture than tuna. Let me see here. Some spring onion. I don't want to obfuscate our little fishy friends too much by the spring onion. What else would I put on that? Yeah, a little bit of pepper flake. I think that's good. I don't think it really needs much more. Mimi, you want to try a fish? All right, sweetie pie. You guys ready? I open the gate to you, my daughter. Try a little tiny fish. Okay, I'll hold it up and then you take a bite, okay? Let me see if I can get a little piece off of one. Alright. It's okay if you don't like it, okay? Don't want to get it all drippy. Let's get some of that olive oil off of there. Come over here. No? Okay. Good try. High five. That is my girl. Do you like it? No? You can go play your tablet. It's okay. Run away! Run away! It's got fish. You don't like fish yet? Come on, off the floor. It's got to be on the floor. Oh, I see there's a little bit of it. Don't worry. I'll clean it up. Go play. You did a good job. No worries. Go, go, go. Good job. Love you. A good thing to do. You tried it. Nothing wrong with that. So Mimi tried sardines. I tried sardines today. I like them. She did not. That's okay. Let's see. I guess I better finish them. They were expensive little fishies. Let's try it with the, it has like Italian, I think it was Italian olives? Greek olives? I don't know. Yummy! That's good. Now, I watched a YouTube video mentioning generally if you're gonna have sardines, you need to have it with something. And usually it's like with a little bit of salad kind of stuff. I don't know. It was a New York place. Okay. But we'll try it with noodles. That's good. Let's add some of these olives on top. Yeah, I like that. I'm surprised how much I like that. There we go. Yeah. I expected them to be all bony. No bones in these. What a nice little treat. Hmm. Hmm. That was fun. I enjoyed that thoroughly. Absolutely. Alright. Well, I guess let's have some rotato time. Alright? Let's go. Well, that one went a little longer than I expected, but I did have to eat a whole can of sardines, and yeah, these are good. I recommend it. Thanks to Steve B for the idea, and yeah, little fish, lots of noodles, good times. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.